Yo, 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 it's Cinderella Sew. What up? Today I'm going to show you how to take the buttons off your sweater, and we're going to put some ribbon there instead. And then you can tie them into these cute bows. And this is what it looks like when it's all done. These buttons are really pretty, just not my style right now, so I'm going to take them off. You can see there's strings there that just attach them to the sweater. And all you need to do is very accurately just cut at those strings. If you have a good pair of smaller scissors, that would work really well too. We're just snipping the strings like that. Then the button will come off and you can pull the rest of the thread off like that. So you can pull the button away from the sweater so that you can really tell which are the threads that you want to cut. Make sure you're just cutting those strings there like that. And we'll do our last button here. So just pull it away from the sweater. And that could be the look you want to go for as well. So I'm going to put some ribbon where those buttons used to be. And I want to have enough ribbon that I can tie it into a bow. So I'm going to cut up about this much ribbon, which is probably the length of your arm. I'm going to cut 3 pieces this size. And that's what we're going to use in place of the button. So we'll take 1 piece of ribbon, fold it in half, and we're going to sew it right there where the buttons used to be. So the first thing we're going to do is take out some thread, and you want to stretch it about the length of your arm, then cut it off like that. And then we're going to put it through the tiny hole in the needle. And this is sometimes the hardest part, but hopefully not for you. And there we go. Now we just pull it till the ends meet at the bottom like that. And now we're ready to start sewing. So the first thing you're gonna do is find one of those buttonholes, and you're just putting your needle down and up through the fabric. Pull the thread almost through, but not all the way. Leave a bit hanging out. Then you're going back through those same holes again, making that loop of thread, and put your needle through the loop and pull it shut. So you're gonna do 3 of those knots over and over to secure your thread in place, and then you're ready to sew on the ribbon. So we'll just do it one more time, making that loop, needle through the loop, pull it shut like that. And now we're ready to attach our first ribbon. So when we attach it, we're gonna put it like this with a vertical fold there. And then we're sewing it on from this side so that when we flip it over like that, you're not gonna see the stitches. So I'm just gonna turn this all around a bit so that it's easier to sew. And we're gonna sew like that. So again, the edge of the ribbon is towards us, and we're sewing from the opening of the sweater. So now we just go down through the fabric of the sweater and out through the edge of the ribbon and pull it, and then again you can put your needle through that loop to really secure it in place. And we'll just do this all along the fold of the ribbon. So again, through that loop, pull it shut. And we're just moving all along the edge until we get to the other side. Now that we've done a bunch of those knots, we can cut it off like that. We'll grab the next ribbon, put it over the next buttonhole, and we'll sew it in place as well. And we'll just do this to all 3, and then we can try on our sweater and see what it looks like. But now you can see when you open it up, you have this nice pretty ribbon, and it's gonna go right through that buttonhole. And then you can tie it into a nice little bow. And it's gonna be so pretty. So just do the next 2 buttonholes, and then we'll try it on and see what it looks like. And this is what it looks like when it's all done. So now you have these nice cute little bows. Just tie them up like that. And it was so fast and easy to do. Thank you so much for watching Cinderella Sew, and I'll see you soon. Peace.